The bathroom remodeling industry is evolving faster than ever, and the way you connect with homeowners is changing too. Homeowners today don't just want a contractor. They want options, transparency, trust, and confidence before they commit. They are looking for a smarter way to research and compare professionals before making one of the biggest decisions for their home. But for contractors, the challenge is finding qualified homeowners who are actually ready to move forward with a project. Traditional marketing channels are increasingly crowded and expensive, often prioritizing lead volume over project quality. This creates a frustrating experience where you're competing for attention without a clear way to stand out. That is exactly why we created bathestimates.com, a modern platform built for the way business is done today. We connect serious homeowners with trusted bathroom remodeling professionals, giving you a powerful way to win more projects. Our mission is simple: to help homeowners find professionals they can trust and help you grow your business. We believe you deserve a platform that values your expertise and your reputation rather than just treating you as a number. Every homeowner visiting our platform is actively researching their remodel. These are not casual browsers. They are homeowners preparing to take the next step in transforming their homes, and they are looking for you. The market is more competitive than ever, with lead costs rising, while lead quality often declines on other platforms. What you really want is simple: serious homeowners, real project intent, and a platform that values your reputation. Bathestimates.com is designed as a discovery platform where homeowners research, compare, and connect with you. Homeowners start by exploring trusted bathroom remodeling professionals in their specific local area. Rather than choosing blindly, they can compare multiple options to find the professional that best fits their needs. They can request up to 3 estimates, which helps them make more informed decisions before moving forward. The platform also includes educational resources on costs and planning, creating a more informed homeowner. This benefits you directly by providing brand exposure and high-intent opportunities that traditional leads lack. You gain visibility with homeowners who are already in research mode for their next major renovation project. We focus on showcasing professional contractors. We don't flood the platform with low-quality listings. Every contractor goes through a verification process to ensure homeowners connect with legitimate professionals. We review legitimacy, experience, and reputation, so you stand out as a serious professional in your market. Contractors who join early gain several advantages, including early visibility and established category authority. As the platform grows, your early positioning translates into significant long-term opportunity for your business. To build our network, we are currently offering a basic listing that is completely free for qualified contractors. Create your listing, showcase your services, and build your visibility with homeowners across the United States. The future of contractor marketing is transparency and real opportunities. Bath Estimates sits at that intersection. Visit bathestimates.com today to secure your place and become part of our growing network of trusted professionals.